How to recover Brawl Stars account. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search for Supercell support portal. Then click on this link right here and then you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to simply choose Brawl Stars. Then scroll down and then click on About Supercell ID, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on this link, and then you're gonna have to scroll down again. And as you can see, if you receive an error while trying to change your Supercell ID, you may be attempting to use an email address that is not supported. So you're gonna have to simply click on here if you cannot. And as you can see, let me go back. So if you lost your Supercell ID email, you're gonna have to click on here again, and then basically you're gonna have to simply contact the support team and they're gonna help you with the account. So I hope you found this video helpful. So as you can see here, you can contact them by clicking here, and then you're gonna be able to contact them. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.